Access to safe and affordable drinking water is made simple and easy with One World Filter. Just follow these easy steps. Open and read through the user manual. Remove the unit from the box. Lift the cover and set aside, together with the OWF filter pack and accessory bag from inside the unit. With both hands, grasp the entire assembly by the top edge and rib. Flip assembly over and place on a countertop or flat surface. Remove the filter clamp by rotating the handles until they click to the O position. Lift the filter clamp. Wash hands thoroughly with soap and clean water. Open one OWF filter pack. Remove the white OWF sediment pre-filter and the black OWF carbon pre-filter. Place the white OWF sediment pre-filter beneath the black OWF carbon pre-filter and insert the two opposite corners of the filters into the provided slots to secure filter positions. Place the gray OWF NanoTech Filter 1 on top of the black OWF Carbon Pre-Filter. Gently press down the edges until fully seated. Place the filter clamp on top of the gray OWF NanoTech Filter 1 and fully lock the handles. Lift the top tank assembly to separate from the bottom tank stand. Check that the bottom tank is positioned so that it engages with the grooves of the stand at any of the 4 positions provided. Remove the blue siphon cap from the center of the bottom tank cover. Remove the blue spigot cap from the bottom tank and store in the water drop shaped recess on the top tank cover. Tightly screw the spigot with washer into the provided hole. The spigot outlet should be pointing straight down. Place the top tank assembly on the bottom tank with the OWF logos facing front while making sure it is fully seated. When the top tank is empty, it can move a little. Fill the top tank with water up to the fill line on the inner side of the tank. Once filled, place the top tank cover on top. Allow water to fill the bottom tank. Once filled, drain the water completely until both tanks are empty. It is recommended to do this procedure each time a new set of OWF filters is installed or after cleaning the bottom tank. Refill the top tank with water up to the fill line. Press and hold the reset button on counter until it displays 580 liters. Make sure the counter is aligned with the magnet found on the rim of the top tank before closing the top tank cover. Your One World filter system is ready to use. Follow all safe water requirements to protect your family's health. Removing filters. Open the filter clamp. Pour out excess water. Shake out the used filters into the trash can. Or you may also use the siphon cap to remove the used filters. Replacing the battery. Use a stick or any blunt object and press the rubber button at the back of your top tank cover to remove the counter. Use a small coin to open, tweezers, or any prying tool. Remove the old battery and dispose of it properly. Install the new battery, being careful to place the edge of the battery underneath the two metal tabs. Place the counter back on the top tank cover. Cleaning the bottom tank. Mix 15 to 20 drops of liquid bleach with 1 liter of clean water. Pour the mixture into the bottom tank through the spigot hole. Put back the spigot and siphon cap and shake vigorously. Remove the spigot and pour everything out from your bottom tank. Put back the spigot. You can now enjoy safe and affordable drinking water made in the comfort of your own home. One World Filter. Safe and affordable water for all.